I have a question for the cat. Flossie? Flossie, who broke this? Flossie. Who broke this bird? Did you break it? Fergus? Did you break this bird? You didn't break it. You wish you broke it. That's not nice. It's already been broken. Did you do it? You're licking your lips. You wish you'd done it. How about you? Did you do it? Who broke this bird? Well, y'all can't have it. No, it's already broken. It's already broken. Somebody broke the bird.